Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring connectivity and account health, so Facetime has a predictable environment. First, check Wi-Fi or cellular and prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi for lower latency. Next, make sure Facetime is enabled and you're signed into the correct Apple ID. This authorizes calls. Once done, confirm date/time and restart the device to clear transient glitches, and update iOS so known bugs are fixed. These steps reduce most immediate failures before deeper troubleshooting. Now you tackle network and permission issues because Facetime needs both media access and an open network path. Start by granting camera and microphone permissions and ensure Facetime can use cellular if you're not on Wi-Fi. If connectivity remains poor, reset network settings to clear DNS and proxy misconfigurations. Also temporarily disable VPNs or firewalls that block Facetime ports. Finally, test on a different network to see whether the problem is local or device-specific, finish with advanced recoveries when simpler steps fail, because corrupted tokens or system files can block Facetime. Sign out of Facetime and your Apple ID, reboot, and sign back in to renew authentication tokens. If problems persist, perform a backup and do a DFU or clean restore to eliminate software corruption. Make sure to check Apple system status in case of outages. If the issue continues, gather diagnostics and contact Apple support so they can trace server logs and advise hardware repair if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.